My dear students, welcome to chemistry class. Today I am going to explain catalyst and its kinds. You know, the substance which increases the rate of reaction without being consumed in a chemical reaction is called catalyst. Catalyst is recovered unchanged during the course of chemical reaction. Its small amount is enough. It increases the rate equally in a reversible reaction in the forward as well as in the backward direction. Catalyst decreases the activation energy. This point is quite important. You should keep in mind that positive catalyst which increases the rate of reaction decreases the activation energy in a chemical reaction. Catalyst may be positive, negative, auto, or induced. Catalyst may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Let us study one by one in details. Positive catalyst is one which increases the rate of chemical reaction. In any chemical reaction, if the catalyst is used, it increases the rate. If it increases the rate, it is called positive catalyst. In the manufacturing of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen using Haber's process, iron behaves like positive catalyst. Similarly, negative catalyst decreases the rate of chemical reaction. In the oxidation of chloroform to give phosgene gas hydrochloric acid in the presence of alcohol as catalyst. Alcohol serves as negative catalyst. It decreases the rate of formation of phosgene gas and hydrochloric acid. Dear students, in many chemical reaction takes place so readily that its properties cannot be studied easily. Therefore, to slow down the chemical reaction, negative catalyst is used there. This is the main role of negative catalyst. Third one is autocatalyst. In many chemical reaction, product formed behaves like catalyst. During hydrolysis of ester to give carboxylic acid and alcohol from which they might be made, carboxylic acid behaves like autocatalyst because it is so produced during the hydrolysis, ionizes to give H plus ion which serves as catalyst. So during hydrolysis of ester, carboxylic acid behaves like autocatalyst. Fourth one is induced catalyst. In many chemical reaction, one reaction takes place slowly and another chemical reaction takes place fastly. If both the reactions are carried out in the same container, then the catalyst behaves like induced catalyst. For more clarity, it can be understood as HgCl2, you know students, HgCl2, मर्क्यूरिक क्लोराइड, इसका रिडक्शन ऑक्जेलिक एसिड के प्रेजेंस में स्लो होता है. इसी तरीके से पोटेशियम पर मैग्नेट, इसका रिडक्शन ऑक्जेलिक एसिड के प्रेजेंस में फास्ट होता है. अगर दोनों रिएक्शन को एक साथ कराया जाए HgCl2 plus KMnO4 in the presence of oxalic acid, then the overall reaction takes place fastly. Hence we can see that oxalic acids behaves like induced catalyst there. Catalyst may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Let us study each one in detail. Homogeneous catalyst is one in which If the reactants and the products, in homogeneous catalyst, reactants, products and catalyst are in the same physical state. It is called homogeneous. If catalyst, reactants and products are in different physical states, it is called heterogeneous catalyst. And this ability of catalyst to accelerate the reaction is known as catalysis. So the phenomenon of increasing the rate of reaction with the help of catalyst is known as catalysis. I hope you have well understood homogeneous and heterogeneous